The streets of Copenhagen and the icy shores of Nuuk became the center of global attention today. January 17, 2026. As thousands of citizens gathered to denounce the United States' renewed ambition to acquire Greenland. The demonstration, organized under the banner Hands of Greenland, were sparked by recent rhetoric from the White House suggesting that the annexation of the strategic Arctic island remains a top priority for the administration. This pressure has been bolstered by threats of severe trade tariffs against the Danish kingdom if it refused to comply with Washington's territorial design. In Copenhagen, a massive crowd marched from City Hall to the American Embassy, waving the red and white Greenlandic flag and chanting slogans of sovereignty. The atmosphere was a mix of indignation and solidarity. Local leaders and activists emphasized that Greenland's territory and its people are not for sale, rejecting what they termed colonial era diplomacy from the United States. Despite the freezing weather, the turnout was significant, reflecting a deep-seated fear that the region could be caught in a geopolitical tug-of-war. At the same time, a bipartisan delegation of U.S. lawmakers, led by Senator Chris Coons, arrived in Denmark to attempt to provide reassurance that many in the U.S. government respect Danish sovereignty. However, senior White House advisors have doubled down on the plan, arguing that the U.S. should not bear the full cost of defending a territory it does not control. A military exercises by European NATO allies in the region begin to ramp up. The future of Arctic diplomacy remains in a state of high uncertainty.